Yes, hello, welcome to my channel Crypto with Kabaka TIMO, the only channel that tells you about blockchain and crypto in Uganda. If you are a user of Binance has introduced a new product that is copy trading. You don't have to take months and months learning how to copy trade. Just follow this easy system, set up your account and follow the best traders in the world that have been vetted by Binance. In that, the trader who is trading on your behalf, the one that you're copying, will take 10% of your profits. That is all you have to do. Crypto is open 24/7 hours a day, 7 days a week. So make money with me. Remember to give me a like, follow and subscribe, and watch the whole video until the end to know how you can set up your account. We go.
What is Binance copy trading? Binance copy trading is a feature that allows users, known as copy traders, to automatically copy the trades of selected individuals, known as lead traders. Here's how it works. Lead traders create and manage portfolios for others to copy, while copy traders select portfolios to copy based on their preferences. By replicating more skilled and successful traders, copy traders can learn new strategies and potentially earn profit. How to become a Binance lead trader? Binance lead traders enjoy several benefits, including exceptional liquidity and a robust matching engine with minimal latency, 200+ trading pairs, and advanced features such as multiple order types, take profit, stop loss, and hedge mode. Commission from every copied trade, which includes 10% of copy traders' profits and their trading fees. To get started, visit the Binance copy trading homepage and click Become a Lead Trader. Enter your portfolio details, including the name and description. Select the futures type and asset, then enter your investment amount. Note that lead portfolios require at least 1,000 USDT. Verify all information is correct before you click Confirm. The portfolio cannot be changed once it's created. To place orders, click Trade. As a Binance lead trader, you'll have access to a suite of advanced futures tools and functionalities. Let's explore the lead trader profile, where you'll find insights on previous and existing positions, as well as who's copying your trades. You can also transfer funds and close your portfolio on this page. When you close a portfolio, the system will automatically settle the profits and return all funds to your spot wallet accordingly. How to become a Binance copy trader? As a Binance copy trader, you can start copying the moves of lead traders with just one click. Note that 10% of your profits will go towards the lead trader. Visit the Binance copy trading homepage to view the performance of all lead trader portfolios, including metrics like ROI and P&L. You can also filter the homepage based on metrics like ROI and P&L across different time frames. To get started, simply click Copy under a portfolio that suits your investment style. Binance copy trading features two ways of investing: fixed amount and fixed ratio. Fixed amount enables you to control the amount invested in each copied trade, for as low as 10 USDT per trade. Let's take a closer look at how it works. Enter the total amount, copy amount, and the amount per order, cost per order that you'd like to invest. Under Advanced Settings, you can also adjust the margin mode, leverage mode, and access other features like position level, TP/SL. Unlike fixed amount, fixed ratio copies orders proportionally. Simply enter the total amount you want to invest under copy amount. Let's say the lead trader you're copying invests 10,000 USDT and places a 1,000 USDT order. If you invested 1,000 USDT in total, the system will place a 100 USDT order accordingly. To find and manage copy portfolios you've created, visit My Copy Trading page. Ready to get started? Create your first lead or copy portfolio today.